Hi everyone, my name is Jess and I am a thriftaholic. Welcome to Thrifting is My Beach. Today's video will be shorter. It's just a little bit of an update for ThredUP. This is April 2022 and a lot of people have had freezes on their accounts as far as being able to get kits or clean out bags. So I have 3 accounts and did have a freeze recently on my last, which is my newest account, and was kind of frustrated not knowing how to move forward, as I'm sure a lot of you have as well. Well, somebody reached out to me on Instagram today to let me know that some accounts did have the ability now to print out labels or to get clean out bags. So thank you for that, and wanted to share the news. I checked my email this afternoon and clean out bags are back. So I have one account, didn't get it, my oldest account, it's probably 2 years old. My account I've had for about a year now has the opportunity to request a clean out bag. I will have to look into that because I do not like sending shoes or purses in the bags because there's like no protection and they can get damaged, and those have great payouts. Now my newest account that I got probably 6 months ago, I'm able to get labels. So my word of advice is to print as many labels as you can. Previously, I was only able to print 2 labels at a time, and then they had to scan in that they were tracking before I could print new labels. Also, another huge change, I don't know if I like this or not like this, there's going to be quicker payments because they're shortening, ThredUP is is shortening their consignment window, meaning before items would sell between 60 days and 90 days. If it was a low to mid tier, it would be 60. If it was a high tier, it would be 90. So they're also no longer paying out for some of the lower end brands, which I didn't think they paid out for this anyways, including Shein, Forever 21, Old Navy. So go to their website. I don't know the brands off the top of my head, but you need to check that out if you are interested in selling with ThredUP or if you currently have kits there. So they are shortening the consignment windows that they're selling the items for. The mid-priced brands are going to be 30 days, and the premium and designer are 45 days. I think overall I am okay with that because that is faster turnaround. If they can process them faster, that would be wonderful. They are also opening up 2 more warehouses to process kits in the near future if one isn't already open. I'm guessing that's why they've allowed labels to be printed again. So I typically sell most of my items within the first 2 weeks of them being available for sale. Now, a lot of you know that you do not get paid out with ThredUP until the return window has closed. So I'm curious to see how that works because it's supposed to be, I think, 14 days from when the buyer receives the item. But you know it can take a long time. Purses are supposed to be an automatic payout. So we'll see how this goes moving forward. I would love to get paid out quicker because that seems to be the issue. I'm supposed to have a kit processed today, and I don't know that that's going to happen. I will check. But for any other further ThredUP updates, go to their website for further details. And if there's any other breaking news, I will post it here on my channel. If interested in learning more about ThredUP, I have a playlist. Go to my page and check it out. You need to make sure some of the information is relevant still because some of it is from 2020, but I have posted more updated videos with current information. So thank you for watching and have a great day. All right, bye.